Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be using my Kinky-Curly products to do my first ever wash and go. Well, my first successful wash and go. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So I actually shampooed and conditioned last night, and I left the deep conditioner on my hair all night with a Turbie Twist and a plastic bag on my head. And then the next day just rinsed everything out and went to work starting my hair. So for this particular style, I thought it would be best to start with really wet hair, so I added some more water to my section and started with my Kinky-Curly Not Today Natural Leave-In. Now the directions say to use a generous amount, but I think I used a little bit too much for this section. But it did its job. It was easy to detangle, made my hair soft, and it smelled like pineapples and mangoes, so that was really cool. So the next product I used was the original Curling Custard Natural Styling Gel, and it was really different from any other gel I've used. It kind of reminded me of flaxseed gel, if anything. But after I put it on my hair, like you can see it in my face, I was just like, what the heck? It was kind of giving me that feeling of after you shampoo your hair with a sulfate shampoo. It was like kind of rubbery, squeaky type of feeling, and I was just like, okay, let me go ahead and just shingle my hair and hope for the best, right? But this product actually did smell really, really, really good. I think it was the chamomile and the marshmallow and the aloe vera juice. It was just a really good scent if you're into scents like that. So as I got to the front of my hair, of course, it was drying out a little bit, so I made sure to spray it down with some water because the directions on the original curling custard say specifically that hair must be dripping wet if you're using this on thick or coarse curls. So I made sure to follow the directions in order to get the best results. So this part's kind of stupid, to be honest, but I was really scared that my hair was gonna poof because I didn't know what this curling custard was doing. So I just put a little bit more of it on the hair around my part and brushed it down with a toothbrush and just, prayed. So 3 hours later, this is what my hair is looking like. It's got the normal gel cast to it, so I'm just going to use my favorite oil mix to scrunch that out. This is the Luxe Oil Mix by Nia's Recipes. Y'all have probably heard me talk about this in my other videos, but it's super cool. Best idea ever. It's got, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, all types of oils in it just mixed together to give you ultimate moisture. It is so lit. As you can see, this is more than a little scrunched. The gel cast away, I'm doing the absolute most, but it's okay. But my hair was really, really soft after the gel cast was gone. I was so scared that my hair was about to be mad dry because of how that curling custard was doing me. I don't know why my hair is feeling like that, but it feels really good with that duo and this oil on top of it. So yeah. This step seems so unnecessary to me now watching this back because there are no parts to be picking and getting rid of, but I'm just picking my hair out for what? I don't know, doing the most. So these are the results of my wash and go. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for stopping by. Come again, tell a friend. Thanks guys. Bye.